Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my channel, Totally Transformed. My name is Dawn, and if you guys don't know me, I do videos on health and wellness and life transformation. If you like those kind of videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications so you won't miss one. This is now week 2 of the Whole 30 challenge. I'm back here at my garden, and it is just producing a lot of growth, but not a lot of fruit. I have all these cucumbers that I have to hand pollinate every day. It's so annoying. But anyway, I was back here composting a bit and drinking my juice right here. Been really into the carrot juice, but getting ready to go out and do a bike ride today. I thought it would take you through some meal prep for breakfast. You know, when you're on this Whole 30, you eat a lot of eggs, so these are options for egg-free recipes, kind of. There's one that includes eggs, but it's not like you're eating eggs. So anyway, things are going really well. This past week, I've been feeling good, and I got a little tired a few days. Other than that, really good. We really like this way of eating. We even went out this weekend and were able to enjoy going out at a steakhouse, getting things that were compliant. We brought our own dressing and our own clarified butter, so that went really well. And yeah, so we're just trucking along with this. Yeah, I really think this is a very good reset. I don't think that this is that hard or difficult. I've been finding really great options even for coffee. I'm going to be doing, stay tuned for this next video, because I'm going to be doing a video on my coffee, and it is delicious on the Whole 30 plan. But anyway, I'm going to drink my juice and then get ready to go biking. And when I get back, guys, I'm going to show you guys some of these recipes. Okay, I'm back from exercising, and I have made myself my cup of coffee with my creamy cream that's just amazing. Stay tuned, because the next video I'm going to share with you guys this coffee recipe that's pretty awesome. Okay, so I am meal prepping, and right now what I'm doing is I've chopped up some green apple and some date, and what I'm going to do is, let me just show you guys one moment. Okay, I've added this into a saucepan, and I'm gonna add some water, probably a half a cup of water there, and turn this on high, bring it to a boil. And then with that too, I'm going to add some cinnamon to the whole mix. And as soon as I find my cinnamon, I think it's in where my coffee is, because I mostly use it for coffee. There we go. Some cinnamon to that. Probably a lot of cinnamon, because I like a lot. So what I'm basically doing is making compotes for chia seed pudding, okay? So right here I have a whole bunch of organic blueberries, and I'm going to add this to the pot. And then put some water on top of that. I'm not going to add any dates to this. And bring this to a boil with some water. I think I might add some cinnamon to that, because I think that would taste really good. See, I'm adding a ton of cinnamon. Have at it, guys, because it's good stuff. Now, so to make the base for the chia seed pudding, first and foremost, you need some chia seeds. I have a bunch more than this, so I could get more. But what I've done right here is I've soaked a 1/4 cup of raw cashews and 3 dates in hot water. And what I'm going to do is blend that up with some coconut milk, okay? And let me show you how I do that. Okay, so I've added this to my blender cup at 3 dates, 1/4 cup of raw almonds that were soaked actually in hot water all morning. I put a little bit of the water from the actual date soaking, and now I'm adding a bunch of coconut milk. And I'm gonna add more coconut milk later to have this as a base. Now, this is very similar to how I make my cream I've been using on this, because I have to have at least cream in my coffee. And then we'll just add this to the blender and blend it up. Now to this, just to get the chia seed pudding going, I'm gonna put some chia seeds in this and blend it up also. Not measuring anything out, but really what the chia seed pudding, I believe it's 6 tablespoons to 1 cup. Yeah, this stuff can, that is yummy in and of itself. But that makes a really, really good base. Now last week I made a chia seed pudding, but I didn't add any sweetener to it, just put some cacao in it, and then I added bananas to it. Really wasn't that great. But then I found this recipe and thought this will be a better option. You can, on the Whole30, add fruit to sweeten things. And yeah, I need a break from eggs, so chia seed pudding will be really a good break. And then what I'm gonna do is add these toppings to it when I'm done. And when I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys. So here's what it looks like when it's done. Sorry, my lens is fogging. It's real thick. Let me get it's really thick. So you just wanna kinda cook it down so the water gets lower. And then here's the apples cooked down. Now let me say this, it's not that sweet yet. The base is probably what's gonna be that sweet. And then I have all of this chia seed pudding in the fridge. I may have put too many chia seeds in that, but that'll congeal over time. I also added some flax to that and added more coconut milk to what I already had. And then these things right here will just go on top of it once they're cool. And yeah, and I'll show that to you when I'm done. Okay guys, it's a bit while later and the chia seed pudding is done. So I'm gonna put it together here for you guys. And this is what it looks like. These are the compotes. And what I'm gonna do is plate this up and then I'll show you and taste test. Okay, so we have it all plated up here. Looking really good. So let's try it. Let's do the apple first. I have to say the compotes itself are not that sweet, but the base is good. That was really good. I like that. Next is the blueberry. You can mix it all together or just keep it on top. Let me first finish that apple. Okay, so here's the blueberry. That's really good. I like both of them, but I think I like the blueberry better, so I'm gonna give my husband the apple one because I know he'll like that better. But anyway, that was really, really good. Try those because, yeah, you can make a lot of chia seed puddings with that. So we're gonna eat that all this week. We may have it with some eggs or maybe without, but chia seeds are really great to add to your diet. They're full of omega-3s and they also have protein in them, so really good source of vegan protein. Very delicious. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that recipe, and next time I come around I'm going to share with you guys my superfood coffee recipe with the creamer. So be sure you're subscribed so you can stay tuned and watch for that next video. All right, I'll see you next time.